Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 50 Pro Nxtpaper to an Android device. First of all, you need to launch Play Store on both to get free app code Send Anywhere and launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to, and when you finished, hit OK to tap on devices displays. When you finished with all of that, choose Send at the top left corner of TCL and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Then go back to TCL to use all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. After selecting all of your files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!